Hello friends, this is the Spring Fireplace Decor Challenge, and our host is Stephanie. Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie decorating on a budget. And At Home with Shawana. Please check out their channel in the playlist in my description box for more fun ideas on how to decorate your fireplace for the spring season. Okay, here is our mantle. And of course we have to have a candle, which I have 3 on my mantle. This is our yellow bunny with a little black and white. I add a little black and white bow on him because I just think it looks more dramatic. Here's our candle with, these are the little blue pebbles from the Dollar Tree and some Dollar Tree carrots. Here's some, this is a DIY carrot and the other one's from Walmart because I needed an extra carrot. This is one of my centerpieces that I created and I put it in this vase. To me, this vase reminds me of an Easter egg. I don't know why. Maybe it's the stripes. And I added an egg. Here's another candle, some more Walmart carrots. This is another candle with our carrots and our Dollar Tree gems and a bunny, and he has one of those black and white bow ties. I made this banner and I love it on a DIY earlier this month. It's got bunnies and chicks and it's in the black, and it got the black and white. It's got the gems. The gems is from Dollar Tree. And the eggs. The banner was from the Dollar Tree last year. And even the fabric, all the fabrics is from the Dollar Tree. And same way with the little, pom-poms. They're all from the Dollar Tree. And these bows, I did get the bows from Amazon, and the ribbon, I got that after Christmas, I think at Michael's. And this ribbon was from the Hobby Lobby. But I think it turned out adorable. And that's my mantle this year for spring. Me and my bright colors, I know. Steph, you can tell me. Me and my bright colors. Stephanie, I also created a spring tree for you for this collab. And it's got the same thing as my mantle. The little chicks and the little rabbits. And lots of floral. And our bunnies. So my spring tree matches my mantle, which is fun because they're right here in the living room together.